Hey, it's me, for People Rocks, the British Ticker. This box arrived the other day. I'll just keep rotating it. And it came from China, so it cost me, it was probably about $2 before the new tariffs came in. It cost me $20, but I needed it. That's the problem with these getting stuff from China. It can get expensive now, but if you need it, you need it. And this lathe has always been short of a tailstock chuck. There's a lot of stuff I'd like to do that needs a tailstock chuck. Well, this should, in theory, fit. Ha! So let me see if it actually does fit. Just move the carriage back out the way and undo the center. There we go. Let's move that carriage a bit further out the way. There we go. Let's put this tailstock chuck in place. Why is that not apparently fitting? It does have a thread. So let's try again. Doesn't go on there very well. Now I bought, it's the right diameter. I wonder if they give me an imperial thread instead of the metric thread that I ordered. Let me check. Well, I'm looking at the chuck and it says M12 by 1.25, and that means 12 millimeters diameter, 1.25 pitch. Okay. Well, we know that this is definitely M12. Question is the pitch right? Well, this is my thread gauge. It's Russian and it was quite a bargain. I've got it set for M1, which is there. I think that's M1. Yep, M1. Because I have a faint sneaking suspicion this might be an M1 thread. And I put it on there. I don't know whether you can see. I'll see if I can zoom in. Get you at a good angle. Whoops. Clearly, that is an M1 thread. So, unfortunately, my tailstock chuck won't fit. I thought it might be a 1.2. It's silly of me. I should have measured that thread before I bought the chuck, but I didn't. So now I've got a rather nice little chuck that I have no particular use for at the moment. That's on me. Disappointment, but I should have measured the thread pitch. It's my fault entirely. All is not lost, however, because okay, here we have the tailstock center, which we'll put there. Now, my other thing my milling machine comes with milling attachments, but it also comes with collets, and it comes with a set of collets. Now the big bonus here is this collet thing, oops, is also M1. So all is not lost. I can still drill, but I will have to use the collets instead. Fair enough, and I don't mind. I can always use collets. But it is not quite what I wanted to do. Oh well, I guess I'd probably better order another tailstock chuck.